Hello everyone, my name is Taylor Hale. I'm the sushi chef at Maru Aspen, and we're here today to break down some of the fish we received that we are going to use as a special tonight. So this is the Shima. It's a Trevally jack, very beautiful fish, getting more and more popular. First thing we do when I cut is we take the guts out, but we already did that. So next thing is we always take the heads. We save the heads for making dashi or fish head soup, something anybody who likes fish heads can enjoy. Take it off both sides close to the head. Pop them off, save them. They make really good soups, all the best parts in here. And this fish is different. These jacks, or some of these like aji fish, they have a little spine. You gotta take this thing off. Otherwise you're never cutting through that. Oh yeah. I think it's good luck to take the tail off. So I always cut the fish's right side first. The right side of it coming up usually makes it easier. So you always go through first, kind of break just the skin, get to the backbone, one cut through, nice and clean. Same way on this side, just through the skin at first and into the bone. Make sure you're clear on the back. Oops. Oh my God. Right? It's nice and clean. Yeah, these guys, when they're wet, they slide. And I do the other side opposite for how you finish it. Just the skin. Once you hit the backbone, all the way through. Same thing. Just the skin the first time. And then into the backbone. Should come right off. I save the backbones for dashi and stock also. I take out the ribs. This meat's always really good to cook. Give to special customers. Meat all in between there is really fatty. Get just under the ribs. Save that. Clean it up. And then we save the bellies. Ready to go. So that is how we cut the shimaji. Thank you so much for watching. We would love to see you in the restaurant very, very soon.